Good morning, children. Welcome back. I am Mrs. Sithara, your computer science teacher. In the last classes, we discussed about internet, the history of internet, about the origin of ARPANET, and what is a website and what is a web browser. We also learned what is a hyperlink and a hypertext. Children, a website is a collection of web pages that can contain text, images, videos, and other digital resources. It is addressed by a name. And there are two types of websites: static websites, which remains as such. Once you design a website, it remains as such, no change in that. And dynamic website, for example, newspaper. The news get updated regularly, daily the news will change. So that kind of websites are called as a dynamic or changing website. There are different kinds of website, children, like personal website provided by the service providers who is giving you internet connection. They will be allowing you to do a website. There will be photo sharing websites like Flickr or Photosite or Google's Picasa. Then writer or author's websites, for example, Paulo Coelho blog.com, where they will include a biography and a catalog of books published. It could be a community building website. Example is Facebook, LinkedIn or MySpace, allowing you to post photos, right? You will be using the Facebook app. You'll have the mobile devices website, like what you have in your computer or in your phone, Google Map, BuzzFeed, Evernote. Or it could be an informational website like Wikipedia. It can be blog or weblogs like online diaries, journals or editorials where you can express your views. It could be an online business brochure or a catalog which will display what are the products a particular company is giving. For example, websites of maybe jewelers or website like Tanishq or website for Kalyan Silks, etc. There will be e-commerce website. E-commerce means doing electronical commerce, electronical transactions like Amazon and Flipkart, where you can buy your products online. Now children, every house will have an address, isn't it? It is an address. Same way, every website will have an address. That is called as a uniform resource locator. What is it called? Uniform resource locator or URL. Now it is a complete web address to find a particular web page. Okay, it is a complete address. You can find a particular web page easily. The format is protocol/domain name .path/file name. Protocol, domain name and file name. Now, what is a protocol? You will be hearing or listening to the word COVID protocol, isn't it? What are the steps to be followed when there is a COVID or there is a COVID symptom or there is a COVID person in our neighborhood? Protocol are rules. So, the rules in which the browser should retrieve means to get information about a resource. You are giving a search, how the browser is going to get you the answer. That is the meaning of protocol. Example are HTTP or HTTPS. S word means it is secure. Then FTP. FTP is file transfer protocol. So those are the different types of protocols. An example for URL is http:/www.google.com or https:/en.wikipedia.org/wiki. Now you can find the domain names there, popular domain names like .com for commercial, .org like non-profit organization, .net is infrastructure, .edu is school, .info is information, .co is commercial, .biz is small business, .io is technology and .gov is for government. Then the country names are CN for China, DE for Germany, FR for France. For UK we have United Kingdom. For Russian Federation you have RU. For Netherlands it is NL. Brazil it is BR. European Union, it is EU. Australia, it is AU. And for India, it is IN. Then you have extensions also like HTM or HTML, then PHP, that is for PHP code, ASPX for .NET, XML, .jpg, which you are familiar, they are picture files. Then PDF, your Adobe PDF files, and PY for the Python files. By the way, Python is the language we are using to write the programs, not the other Python called as, which we know as Snake. Okay. Now we will go to the domains. A domain name or a host name is a human readable name of the specific location where you can find the resource it is located. There will be a unique name given to each website, and what it will do, it will help you to open a website in a browser. It is the name of the website. For example, you can have google.com or wikipedia.org, youtube.com, etc. So children, URL are complete address with the how the file is getting transferred. Domain names are the shortcuts for that, just the name. Got it, children? Next we will see how to work on internet, how to search for information. You can search the information by using a search engine. Earlier we saw a web browser which will open the sites for you. Now if you have to go to a particular web browser, then you have to give a search engine. Then only you can give what you have to search, because internet is very vast and it is difficult to go and search individual computers or individual resource that is available. So that work is done by the help of a search engine, an engine to search the net. Examples for search engines are google.com, Alta Vista, Bing, Ask, etc. And to search the information, we have search tools just below the search bar. In the picture, Mrs. has shown you the search tools, and you can see, you can decide what kind of result you want to see, and you can give search tools and search for the information. You can search for images, and in the time the image was uploaded and the size of the image, all those things you can give in the search box. So just below the search box you have a search tool option. This will show how you can do a search in the internet and copy and paste and print from the web. You give in the search box google.com, then you will get a search window. There you type planets and give search. So you can see a number of files are getting listed. You can see a number of things displayed, and you scroll down and choose one. Here I am going to choose planet from Wikipedia. I click on that. I get a window like this. The page is getting loaded, and I will be getting the display of the content of what I selected in the window. You get the displayed, and here I am going to select a first two paragraphs from that. I am clicking and dragging, and you can see it is coming in blue color. I click on top of that and give on copy. Then I open Word. Right click on that and give paste option. Now the whatever I have copied from the Wikipedia is getting pasted here. Once I get it like that, I have to go and save the file. This is the information I want about the planet. I will go to file and I will save. I'll type a file name and I will save it in my documents. Where you want to save, you can save, and you can save it in my documents by giving a appropriate name. It will be getting saved. Then I want to take a print of that. I am having the save dialog box. I will give the type the file name planet, and I will click on save button. The file will be saved in my computer. Now to take the printout, I will go to file menu again and give print, or I can choose Ctrl P to print. I will get the option and I will choose the print option from there. Print the first page, only one page I have got, and click on the print button to display the print. My file will be printed onto the printer, and I can take a printout of that. In the search box, type the thing you want to search. Here I am giving rose. Go to images. Choose the picture you want. It will open up like this. Right click on the image and give copy image. Come to Word and right click again and give paste. You can resize the image by clicking on the corners. Type my rose and go to File and Save. A small activity for you, my dear children. Complete the following things in your book. Tick the correct answers in page number 39. Fill in the blanks in page number 40 and identify the following pictures again in page number 40. That's all for today's class, my dear children. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.